Today I am reviewing the Ninja DZ401 Foodi 2 Basket Air Fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ninja DZ401 also includes two intelligent features, Match Cook and Smart Finish, which further simplify the cooking process. Match Cook allows you to copy the settings from one basket to the other, making it easy to cook full 10-quart meals without worrying about uneven cooking or guesswork. Smart Finish, on the other hand, coordinates the cooking times of two different foods so they finish simultaneously. This means that your chicken can come out perfectly roasted at the same time your vegetables are crisp to perfection, saving time and ensuring consistency across dishes. This level of control is particularly valuable for busy families who want to serve meals quickly without compromising on quality or flavor. The Ninja DZ401 is not just about dual cooking. It also delivers on power and efficiency. Equipped with IQ Boost technology, it optimally distributes power across each basket when neither Match Cook nor Smart Finish is selected. This ensures that even large meals, like a 6-pound whole chicken, are cooked evenly and quickly. With this feature, the air fryer adjusts heat and fan speed intelligently, giving you consistent results every time. Whether you are roasting, baking, air frying, or dehydrating, the cooking performance is reliable and precise, allowing even novice cooks to achieve professional-level results. Versatility is another hallmark of the Ninja DZ401. With 6 cooking functions built in, you can air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate your favorite foods. This eliminates the need for multiple appliances and frees up valuable counter space. The wide temperature range of 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit provides ample flexibility for everything from slow dehydration projects to high-heat crisping and roasting. The 10-quart capacity, divided into two 5-quart baskets, allows you to prepare family-sized meals with ease. You can cook up to 8 pounds of chicken wings at once, or prepare a full meal, including a main and a side, without waiting in between. Another impressive aspect is the design and maintenance of the appliance. Each basket features its own cyclonic fan and rapid heater, which ensures even cooking throughout. The baskets and crisper plates are easy to clean, and most components are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup fast and convenient. The overall build quality feels robust and durable, while the modern gray finish complements any kitchen decor. Beyond convenience, the Ninja DZ401 promotes healthier cooking with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep fry methods. This is particularly beneficial for families looking to enjoy fried favorites without the guilt, as even foods like French fries, chicken, and nuggets come out crispy and delicious. In addition to performance and convenience, the user experience is highly intuitive. The control panel is straightforward, and the presets for the 6 cooking functions make it easy to operate the air fryer without needing to consult a manual constantly. From quick weeknight dinners to weekend meal prepping, the Ninja DZ401 adapts seamlessly to your schedule and cooking needs. It allows home cooks to achieve professional quality results in a fraction of the time, all while maintaining the health-conscious benefits of air frying. In conclusion, the Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL Air Fryer is more than just an appliance. It is a kitchen game-changer. Its combination of dual-zone technology, intelligent cooking features, versatile functionality, and large capacity makes it ideal for families, meal preppers, or anyone who enjoys convenient, high-quality meals. With precise cooking, effortless cleanup, and the ability to cook healthier meals faster, it delivers exceptional value and performance. If you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional air fryer that can handle everything from small snacks to large family dinners, the Ninja DZ401 is an outstanding choice that elevates your cooking experience in every way.